Hello guys, welcome back to my vlog. There is nothing better like cleaning the house to clear your head and get ready for the week ahead. If you're disturbed by my dancing, I apologize. Please forget you ever saw that and let's just get the vlog started.
Mi salsa ahora, mi salsa para bailar, este ritmo tan sabroso, el ritmo para guarachar. Yo te canto con sentimiento y manana te lo voy a dar, muévese con sabrosura.
I've been meaning to get a haircut for a long time. It's spring. It's not quite the beginning of summer yet, but it's definitely warm. So having this heavy hair and too long, it's gonna get a little bit annoying. So just don't know who's gonna cut my hair, but found a phone number on the business that said hairdresser, and I'm going there see what she's going to do. What a little bit of sun can do. These flowers were all closed. They were completely closed, the buttons. Look at them. Just today.
But the pink ones?
Yeah, the pink ones, they were closed. Yeah, I'm gonna look for some footage of a few days ago. And look at them. And then look at this yellow one.
I know. Look at that one.
Oh my god.
What about down in the garden?
We'll have to go and see what's happening.
Oh, I picked up 3 purple this morning.
That's nice for the video, honey. Nice for people to know.
Hmm?
Nice for people to know that Georgie just poops all the time.
Oh.
And look at the coriander. Oh. And this. This is chamomile. And it's coming nicely as well. Since the day is so beautiful today, the temperature is great. It's about 18 to 20 degrees. I'm going to be planting the vegetables that we bought the other day at the nursery. But first, I'm going to pick as much basil as I can from these plants before they go into the ground. I know you're there. Come on. Puss, puss, puss. Come on, ready? Come on. Don't be shy. Right. So this is what this first area looks like. There are a couple of tomato plants to the back and the rest is eggplant. This area is the second patch and the idea here is to plant the basil and the zucchini. Last year, as I was planting our winter garden, I came across a scorpion. I hope today that's not gonna happen. So this is what it's looking like at the moment. The plants are growing nice and strong, and I have to pick some basil again very soon, probably tomorrow, for some pasta over the weekend. This is the second patch. The tomatoes back there, there's a bunch of tomatoes, they're still green at the back. And this is the third area, which I didn't record that day. There is zucchini here as well, and I just decided to plant some sunflower seeds, which I don't know if I made a video on our other channel about that, but some of our neighbors gave me like 3 big sunflowers after the season was over last year, and over winter I just took the little seeds and put them in a baratolo. What's the name of baratolo? Like a glass jar kind of thing, and planted a few. So I don't know if they're going to take or not, because I think I planted things pretty late in the season. But that's it. I will keep you updated later over the weeks on how these little babies keep growing. Did I mention that I'm back at working from the attic? We got that desk that I told you the other day, and I know I'm being very silly, but I don't want to take the cover of the desk off of the cardboard that the desk came in until I am mentally prepared and that I have all the disposition to actually set up my desk, like put a pot plant there, in the photo frame put a picture of one of our dogs, or hopefully I can find a picture of them together, but I have been just working on the cardboard for all this time. Grazie, grazie. BRT. Havaianas thongs. Perfect, go with what we thought it was going to be a spring week, but it's actually being back to winter. Gosh, they look small. And a free couch, inflatable couch, that for sure we will use at the beach. And my dogs. They have sparkles. They look pretty. There's so much choice for Havaianas. It's not easy to make up your mind. Or it wasn't easy for me to choose, but I think I'm happy with my choice. Not that I'm gonna be able to wear them for a while because of the weather outside, but eventually. Let's take Aiden's Havaianas to him.
Boy, that's beautiful.
Do they look small?
42, 44.
It's hard to tell with that Muppet shoe. We're back at wearing our winter slippers.
She looks so cushiony.
And bright.
Right.
I love the color.
Huh?
I love the color.
I love it.
Hey. You're welcome.
Huh?
You're welcome.
Thank you. Yours?
See, they're downstairs. They're cute. I decided to go for the slim. Yeah.
Okay, you like them?
Yeah. Haven't tried them
Because of your elf shoes.
because of my elf.
I got Muppet, you got elf.
And Olive, you didn't get anything, Olive.
No delivery from me.
No delivery for you yet. Okay, bye. See. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Please let me know what you think in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!